day to all of you. Today I want to show you again how to create a lotus flower by using a piece of paper. And this is also one of the Chinese traditional culture. Ito. So I will show you how to create the lotus flower, guys. So okay, let's start. We need to fold into the middle. Yan. Fold natin, guys, ng pagitna. Ayan. So after this, we need to fold again both sides. Ayan. Sometimes we need to show our knowledge, some knowledge. We need to share. Ayan. So, na-fold na natin, guys, ng ganyan. Both side. So, una, ipo-fold natin ng we need to fold first into a center, then fold both side. And then, we need to fold again the four side into a triangle again. Ayan. Simple lang. Very simple, guys. Ayan. So, after this, we need to fold again. So, already fold by both sides. So, we need to fold again into the other side. Just like this. Fold into other side. At the same time, to the other side again. Okay. So, already made the first step. Okay, so after this, guys, we need to put 4 piece. Ayan, pagpatong-patungin natin, guys, ng apat na piraso. Ayan. So, pagpatong-patungin natin siya ng 4 na piraso. So, kailangan sundan natin yung nakasulat sa taas. Ayan. So, we need to follow this. The flower or the words. So, we need to make like this. Ayan. Gawin natin na ganito. Ayan. So, we need to 1, 2, 3, 4. We need 4 piece. And then, this 4 piece, we need to fold like this. Ayan. Po-fold natin, guys, ng ganito yung 4 na piraso. So, yung 4 na piraso, gagawa tayo ng 4 din na tiga-4. Ayan. 4 by 4. Ayan. So, after this, ito na yung, guys, oh. Ito na. Nakagawa na ako. So, in-advance ko na. Para pinakita ko na lang sa inyo. Ayan. So, ito, itatali natin. We need to type. Okay, so this is we create a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4 piece, 4 piece, 4 piece. Then we need to type the 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so after this, we need to use into half. Ayan, hatiin natin, guys, ng tig-dalawa. Ayan, so after this, pwede na tayong mag-start. Ayan, we need to start. So, we need to open it. Just like this. Open it. So, kailangan, guys, maglaktaw tayo ng isa. So, we take this in here. So, we don't need to take here into the other leaf. Okay, other leaf or what we do call this. Okay. So, itong kabila naman, maglalaktaw tayo, guys. Ayan, Tagalogin ko na. So, at the same procedure, you open natin yan. Tig-isa lang, guys, ah. Ayan. So, kailangan kasi nakapatong ito sa lamesa para madaling i-open. So, hawak-hawak ko lang na ganyan para makita nyo. Ayan. So, ilalaktaw ulit natin. So, nakalaktaw, guys, yan. Nakalaktaw. Ayan. So, 1, then ito yung 2, then 3, 4, wag natin open, yung 5, open natin. So, you need to left one before you open the other one. Ayan. i-lift nyo yung isa. Ayan. So, ito na ulit yung isa. So, ganyan siya. Ayan. So, we already opened the other side and other side. Ayan. Ayan. So, after nyan, after this guys, you need to open it the other side. Yung kung alin yung nilaktawan nyo kanina, doon kayo mag-start na i-open. Ayan. Ayan. So, ganun lang. Yung mga nilaktaw nyo, yun ang i-open nyo ngayon. Doon sa una, di ba? May nilaktawan tayo. So, yun yung i-open nyo ngayon. Ayan. So, ganun lang. Huwag yung in-open yung una ang i-open nyo. Ayan. Kung alin yung nilaktaw nyo, yun din yung i-open nyo sa ngayon. Ayan. So, ganun lang. Sunod-sunod. Just follow the round. Okay? Ayan. Kung alin yung in-open nyo, ayan. Ganun lang ang sundin nyo. Laktaw, laktaw, laktaw lang. Ayan. Open, tapos laktaw. Open, tapos laktaw. Ayan. So, ayan guys. Malapit na natin matapos. We're almost done with our lotus flower. Ayan. Natapos na natin ang ating lotus flower. So, this will be like this. Okay? So, ito na guys yung lotus flower natin. So, yan. Yan na siya. Yan. So, medyo, hindi pantay kasi yung pagkakaano ng gitna. Ayan. So, ito na yung lotus flower natin. So, this is a simple. Ayan. Ganyan lang. So, simple na makapag-create tayo ng simpleng bagay. Ayan. At least, may nalalearn tayo. Ano? Ayan. So, pwede natin i-share yan kung anong mga nalalearn natin. So, may mga gustong mag-create ng sarili nilang ayan. So, ito na guys. This is our lotus flower. I already finished. So, simple lang. Ayan. Sinare ko lang yung aking natutunan dito sa Taiwan. Ayan. So, ano nila, isang culture kasi nila ito guys. So, ayun. Ginagawa nila to, tapos inaano nila sa church nila. Ayan. Ganun lang. That's all guys, and thanks to all of you for watching. Ayan. Until my next upload. Thank you guys. Until my next upload. Okay. Sana nandiyan kayo palagi para panoorin yung mga bagong upload ko. At sa ngayon, ito muna yung mga natutunan ko dito. Mga isi-share ko muna. So, sana abangan nyo yung next